Hello folks, here we are. It's now into April. In the last few weeks, we left Quartzsite, Arizona for the winter and headed up to Telephone Cove in Nevada, on our way back to the White Mountains where we have a little piece of land. Every once in a while, we boondock in a location that totally blows our minds. This one is one such location. It's on the Nevada side of Lake Mohave within the Lake Mead National Recreation Area, and it's called Telephone Cove. What makes this place so special is that you can camp here literally for free, feet from the water. Lake Mohave is a reservoir on the Colorado River created in 1951 after the completion of Davis Dam, named for the Mohave Indians who previously inhabited the region of the Colorado River Valley. Lake Mohave extends approximately 67 miles from the Hoover Dam to the Davis Dam. Fishing is a major attraction with striped bass, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, channel catfish, and sunfish in the lake. Hiking in the area is excellent with several nearby coves and canyons that you can explore. Wildlife abounds. We heard lots of coyotes at night. We saw ducks, seagulls, quail, bats, small lizards, rabbits, and those crazy coots, those funny birds with the weird feet. It's just a really beautiful place to spend some time. I was a little intimidated to come down the road to get into Telephone Cove with my 40-foot bus, and I probably would not have done it unless my friend said, "This is the only place you're going to get solar installed. Meet me there." So thanks to Scott with Nomad Solar, I have solar now, and we did it all down there with the beautiful lakefront view. To get into Telephone Cove, it is pretty easy. From Laughlin, Nevada, head west on Highway 163 for 4.4 miles. Then you turn right on Nevada Telephone Cove Road and drive about 4.3 gnarly miles south down to the lake. All in all, this was a wonderful place to stay. Jael fell in love with a little doggy named Cowboy. We had lots of fun. We took an ice cold dip in the lake, and then it was time to head on up to the White Mountains, up to Show Low. The rest of this video is our trek out so that you can get an idea of what this road is like. It is sped up 4 times, and it really does take about 30 minutes to go down or up. If you're in a big rig, you just have to go very slow. There are some hairpin turns with weird angles, and it's wild. And if it has been raining, there's big mud puddles that you have to drive through. So just be really careful and take it easy, but it is worth the crazy road.